Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert logo to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So first you can just finish your edits or just add a video that you want to edit into CapCut like this. And then go to the beginning of your video and add the logo as overlay. So you need to click on this overlay button. Click on overlay and then find the logo that you want to add. So for example, I'm going to add this CapCut logo here. Okay, so this is the logo. Don't forget to adjust the length so it match with the video durations like this. Adjust the size by pinching the logo like this and adjust the position. For example, I'm going to put it on the right corner, and if you want to make it transparent, you can go to splice, then select the mode. You can use filter or overlay, and here just lower the intensity to your liking. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.